Alrighty, so we've negative 2 times 5 squared plus 3 times 2 cubed all over negative 3 times 13. So we've got to simplify this expression, and we're going to use the order of operations PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract from left to right. And again, the thing about this is we've got to simplify the top and then simplify the bottom and then divide. So the top needs to become just one number. The bottom needs to become just one number before we can actually divide this. Because you can't divide unless the top and the bottom are both just like one number, right? So just for fun, I'm going to start with the bottom. What's negative 3 times 13? Yeah, 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah, 3 times 1 is 3. So 13 times 3 is 39. It's a negative times a positive, which makes a negative number, right? So it's negative 39. Good. And the top, negative 2 times 5 squared plus 3 times 2 cubed. We need to do the order of operations. There are no parentheses, so we're fine there. We do have exponents. We've got a 5 squared. We also have a 2 cubed. So let's figure out the exponents next. What does 5 squared make? 25. Yeah, 5 times 5, 25. So we have negative 2 times 25 plus 3 times. Now let's figure out 2 cubed. What does that make? Yeah, because it's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Good. Now, we have a multiply, a plus, and then a multiply. So we've done our exponents. That's done. Now we're on to multiply or divide from left to right. We've got 2 multiplications. We need to do both of those, and then we can add. That's following the order of operations, right? So negative 2 times 25? Negative 50. Yep. And 3 times 8? 24. 24. Yeah, and then we can add. So we multiply, and then now we can add. Negative 50 plus 24. That's 50 bad guys, 24 good guys. What does that make? Yeah. Right. So you could, for fun, you can do this. 50, 24, subtract. Yeah. 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 This can be confusing. But bear with me. We're finding the difference between these numbers, right? And if I subtract, the 0 becomes a 10, and I got to borrow from the 5 to make a 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the difference between them is 26. If you had a debt of $50 and $24 in cash, you would have a debt of 26. Okay? Yeah, when they get bigger like that, it looks funny, but it's really not that much different from having negative 7 plus 3. You know, what's negative 7 plus 3? Negative 4, right? Because you go like 7 minus 3 gives 4, right? So the difference between these numbers is 4, right? But there's 7 negatives and 3 positives, so that makes negative 4, right? 7 bad guys, 3 good guys, negative 4. There's 50 bad guys, 24 good guys, negative 26. Yep. Well, yeah, you do, because you've got to find the difference, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so the top becomes negative 26 and the bottom was negative 39. Before we do anything, what's the sign of this fraction? It's a negative over negative, which makes what? Positive. So it's a positive fraction because negative divided by negative makes positive. So just for fun, you could write that as positive 26 over 39, right? Now, can we simplify? All right. Actual fact, I want you all to factorize the top. 26 is 2 times what? 2 times what gives 26? 2 times 13 makes 26. And 39, factorize 39. What times what gives 39? Well, look what we did at the start of the problem. Yeah, look at that. 3 times 13. Right? So we've got 2 times 13 over 3 times 13, don't we? Now, what can we cross cancel? Yeah, 13 to 13 goes once, 13 goes once. So what do we get? 2 times 1 over 3 times 1. Yeah. Two-thirds. 2/3 is the answer. 2 over 3, right? Yep, that's it. 2/3. Good work.